Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. Are you looking for the ultimate in soft and cozy? Well, you have just found it. This Geniospin comforter is absolutely amazing. It is so cuddly and soft and warm. It's just everything. This is a nice thick blanket, but it's not overly heavy. I love that it's double-sided because then you can decide which side you want to snuggle with. The taupe side is soft and silky. It reminds me of petting our calico. And the other side is this kind of Sherpa fleece that's also nice and warm and squishy, and it just makes me think of a baby's blanket. My son loves having this blanket. He stays snuggled up under it for as long as he can. In fact, it's actually made mornings a little more difficult because he is so snuggly and warm underneath it. So if you want soft and cozy as well as stylish, then this is the way to go. And that's my point of view.